Hey now, this is Ronnie K. I trust that you're having an excellent day. One of the things that I have found as you come online to make money or as you do anything is what are you focused on, and getting people to hone in on the one thing that they want to do and sticking to that one thing on a daily basis. So for the most part, I don't know how many weeks it's been, but I've been posting a video every day. I started out posting the video about telling you about a step-by-step blueprint that I believe is still relevant. If you want to start a business online and you want to have step-by-steps, you'll want to get that blueprint, in my opinion. You'll want to get it step-by-step. And another reason why you want to get it is because it is yours. It's something that you can customize to make it yours. Yes? And so I started out making a video about that every day. And when I talk to people, they're like, well, what else are you doing? Well, I tell them that there is only right now one other income stream that I'm working, because all the other ones, they changed, and that's a constant thing. There's going to be constant change online, particularly if you're an affiliate. If you are an independent contractor and you're selling a company's products and services, they have every freedom, every right, and every liberty to change their platform, to change their products and services. And so that is what happened to me. And I had to make a decision on if I wanted to move forward. So I was looking for something, not that I'm not afraid of change, but I was looking for something that I could call more of my own and just be in more control for the most part, and then still looking for something that's working. So I came up on this blueprint, and I thought this is an excellent way to introduce the jump start on how people can make money online. So getting back to what I was going to say is, one of the hardest things for people is to stick to one thing. Be consistent in one thing. And I want to encourage those of you work full-time, because I've been talking to people who you work full-time, you're really good at what you're doing. I'm celebrating 25 years in my career, and I have touched a lot of lives. Yes, and I've been able to master a lot of things, but I have not mastered the money. I haven't mastered that part on where I can, if I were to stop working right now, I may be able to go 6 months, maybe. But after that, I need to be talking to somebody. I need to be working somewhere or doing extremely well online. But one thing that those of us who do work, we're consistent. We go to work consistently. We do our jobs consistently. We serve consistently, whatever your work is. And so that same work ethic and that same mindset needs to come over into your online business. Can't be all over the place. But that's one of the hardest things for people, is to pick one thing and do something continuously on a daily basis. And so that's what I want to encourage you to do. What I did, because I got so much confidence in just posting on a daily basis about the step-by-step blueprint, is I went on this other income stream that I have, and I said, let me see if just being consistent, just showing up on a daily basis works, which I know it does, but let me see if it works. I know it works in my career. It works when I do it with my children, just showing up on a daily basis. And I started posting. It wasn't even 2 weeks, and it's a company where it's like a direct mail company, and you get people to request a free kit. Once they get the free kit in the mail, then they make a decision on if it's something that they want to do. So in less than 2 weeks, I've been able to the company has mailed out about 16 kits for me. So that's 16 people who have the potential to be a customer, to be a client, for us to work together. And so consistency is key. Focus on the one thing that you desire to do, be intentional in it, and do it. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. If you want to know more about the things that I'm doing, how I am changing my life day by day with income streams online, check out the video description. And it didn't cost you anything to do that. Check those out, and if they resonate with you, put your name and email address in, and I will definitely follow up with you. Many, many blessings to you.